that's happening, there was one other new technique that new package that's being offered anyway that I was going to mention to you. ALS are the only ones offering it at the moment, and again, I'm not endorsing it or otherwise. It's actually a package to do with the halogens. To date, we've only been able to do the halogens on much higher levels by specific methods. This is a package designed to go over the soils or vegetations where they're looking at the whole lot of the halogens. And given the importance of metal halides as complexes, then it'd be interesting to see some data coming out of that in the next little while. For many years in neutron activation, we did bromine to 1 ppm, and there was certainly some interesting data coming out of that. So I'd be keen to see some of the data that may come out of a halogen package in future. Right, questions? What? No questions? Well, I have one to, I guess it's both to Lou and Alex. But both of your methods look like getting good detection limits for multi-element sweats. Do you see either of the methods replacing 4-acid digestion in future?
Yeah, sorry, my answer was yes. I think we're getting ICP-MS sensitivity adequate, that the 4-acid digest is pretty much redundant. A good way to get a sodium result, of course. Yeah, I think so.
I think in general I would agree that because the fusion's a total digest, and once you can obtain those lower detection limits, it will become dominant. I wouldn't necessarily say that the mixed acid digest will completely disappear, but it'll be used less and more specifically for very specific commodities.
Other questions? Yeah, Prue?
Is the photon assay machine working commercially yet? And what is the cost comparison between fire assay, for instance, and photon assay?
Yes, the system is working commercially in our lab in Canning Vale. At the moment, it is operating under NADA accreditation as well as of August. And we're running it, I think, 24 hours a day, 5 days a week at the moment. The cost comparisons, it is a little bit more than a standard fire assay, but obviously you're analyzing 10 times the material. If you want more specific pricing, you can go talk to us at our booth, and one of the more marketing type people can help you with that.
Anyone else for questions? Donna?
Richard, you showed a number of graphs comparing the 4-acid with the 2-acid digest. Do you have any of the 3-acid digest comparisons, given that most of the mines are using those now?
Not on me. I can generate such things, but I don't have any graphs at the moment.
G'day. Lou, just with the caking in the grind bowl, you said when you add the lubricant basically to reduce the caking, is that a special combination of anything, or is it just good old-fashioned methyl and something else? The grinding aid we've been using, we've taken it from the cement dry grinding industry. Triethanol amine, low toxicity, a bit like araldite, the way it smells. A few drops, and it works a lot better than methanol.
Okay, in that case, I'd ask you to thank all our speakers from this session.